Hi everyone, in this module we'll be talking about ASI 05, which is unexpected code execution, which includes remote code execution, local misuse, sandbox escape. Many agents, especially coding, data, operations, and security agents, do not just write code, they run it. Suppose a developer asks a coding agent to inspect an open source repository and fix a build use. A malicious instruction hidden in the repository tells the agent to execute a setup script. The script reads the environment variables, steal tokens, and establish persistent. From the user's perspective, the agent was simply trying to make the test pass. Unexpected execution is not limited to a shell command. It can involve scripts, binaries, package install hooks, template engines, notebook cells, decentralized objects. It could be in memory evaluation as well. Prompt injections and tool misuse may be the entry point, but this one specifically focuses on the execution outcome. Code runs where it should not, with the consequences for the host, containers, or connected environment. This is especially dangerous in vibe coding workflows where generated changes are executed immediately and broad permissions are granted for convenience. The code can look plausible, and the agent may coincidentally or confidently explain why is it safe. Neither is a security control. Now, what shall we do? The first rule is very simple: separate code generation for code from code execution. Generate code is it could be an untrusted input. Review and validate it before execution, especially when it touches the file system, network, credentials, package managers, build pipelines, or infrastructure. When automatic execution is necessary, isolate it. Use disposable sandboxes or containers, a read only base image, minimal mounted directories, no host socket, no unnecessary device access, and strict CPU memory, time, and process limits. Control egress. That's something which is very important. Most malicious code becomes far less useful if it cannot connect to an attacker, or it cannot contact with a direct with an attacker and download a second image or second stage or exfiltrate secrets. Remove secrets from the execution environment. That's something which is the key. Do not inject broad cloud credentials or production tokens into every coding session. Validate dependencies and blocks unsafe constructs wherever possible. Finally, preserve evidence. The generated code, the instructions that produced it, tool calls, process tree, network activity, and file system changes. Code execution can compromise a system independently or immediately. Other attacks are quieter. They plant a false memory today, so the agents make the wrong decision tomorrow. Now, see you in the next video. Thank you.